Hello everyone, my name is Nagamalika. I am studying second BTech in Vishnu Institute of Technology. Today I am going to tell about how to create a web application using express.js, Node.js and Firestore database. In the previous video I have shown you how to create the login and sign up routes and to store the login credentials in our Firestore database. Now I have created a web application that is you can rent a book. That means you can take book for a rent. Now let me show my web application and you can learn some new things in this. This is my Express code. Here I imported all the required modules, and this is initialization of the Firestore database, and I have set the port number to 9000, and I have used the Google Books API key in order to search for the books, and here body parser is used for the parsing the URL encoded bodies, and here I have used the it's here public. This line serves as that it provides static files from the public directory. I did not use here public directory, but if you have a public directory that you can use this in order to access the files. And here it represents the index.ejs page, and the post and app.post book search means that means it created a route. That means whenever you search for a book, it gives a title, author, cover page, published date, key and URL, etc., which is used, which can be derived from the Google Books API key. Now, after wishlist, when you are interested to add a book to your wishlist, if you click on the wishlist button, then it goes to the wishlist. And if you don't want to, that means it was set by the app.post add to wishlist. That means whenever a new title is added to the wishlist, and the older title, that means already existed title, cannot be added to the wishlist. And delete from wishlist, if at all you want to delete a book from the wishlist, you may click on the delete button, and this says about that means you may delete whatever you did not want to do not want to place in the wishlist. And if you save the wishlist, it will save all the books that you have present in the wishlist into your database. And this is a rent book route. That means this says about you can take a book for a rent, and the books cannot be more than 3. That means you may take you may take 3 books at a time, or 2 books, or 1 book, but more than 3 cannot be taken. And this is a function that means whenever you are adding a book to the rented books, then it says then it updates the cost. That means if the book cost is 100, if you add a book another book to the rent books, then it says the cost is 200. This is a function used to update the rented books. Next, save the rented books. This means whenever you click on the save button, it saves into the database along with the user details. And next, coming to the login route. The login page takes an email and password, and this saves the email and password in the database. Next, this is a sign up route, and this sign up route says takes email, name, phone number, and password, and it saves the data in the Firestore database. This is what the password is hashed here because of security reasons. That means our password will not be visible to everyone. It only shows our hash password. Here app.get dashboard means that means the user will be get into the dashboard, and the logout means whenever you click on logout button, the session will be destroyed. That means you will go out of the web application, and if you want to log in again, you need to enter your credentials again. App.listen port means whenever whenever it listens to the specified port, that is our port number is 9000, then the server starts. Now let us implement all this. Let us run this, and it is saying server is running on port number 9000. That means your app is your server is running properly. Then go to the Chrome, then open http. Our port number is 9000, right? This is our login page. If you do not have any login, that means you do not have any account, you can sign up here. And I'm going to sign up. I'm giving the mail. pooja@gmail.com. It redirects us to the login page. Then we'll go to the login page and enter the details here. This is our dashboard page. This says welcome Pooja, that means your name will be visible here. And you can, these are the books which I have recommended, that means you can go to these books and you can know more data. That means you can get the more information about all these books. If you want, you may go, and these are the recommendations I have kept. If you want to search for a book, that means for suppose you are searching for a book Harry Potter, search for it. Then see, these are the Harry Potter books. Okay, if you want to add a book to the wish list, that means I am going to add this book into the wish list. Then you can click to the wish list. You can see uh, the wish list is updated. And if you want to add some of another book, like add to wish, see, you can see here your wish list is updated to 2 books. And if you want to add another book, let me try on another book. Add to wish. See, you can see 3 books are added. And if you want to save this, you can save the wish list, then it will be saved in your backend. And then you can see your wish list here, dashboard. That means it says that there are 3 books in your wish list and what are they. And if you want the rented books, that means initially the rented books are 0. If you want to take a book for a rent, then again you need to go for search books, and there for suppose you want other books like the Adventures of Tom Sawyer, then you may search them. Here also it shows some of the books. If you want to rent, that means for a month you may take a book for 100 rupees. You want to add, see here the book name is Adventures of Tom Sawyer, added for the 100 rupees. If you save this, it will automatically save your total cost and the title name and title of the book. If you save, then it will also save in your database. And here also you can check here our rented books is also updated here. And this is about the web application. Now let us check our Firestore database, is our data is stored in the Firestore database or not. Now let us go in there, Firestore database. This is my project, I have created it already. I'm going to the Firestore database in order to check the data. Let us wait, and it's loading. And this is the user's data. Now I have created with the name Pooja, right? You may check. These are already previously I have implemented all this. Yes, this is the thing I have stored now, Pooja. And the rented books are 1, that is total cost is 100 rupees, and her wish list is these 3 books. Now again, if you want to delete any of your book from your wish list, delete 1 book and save the wish list. Now let us check that our database is updated or not. Yes, you may see here. Now the wish list contains only 2 books. That means your wish list is updated. So in this way my application is useful. So you may search for other books also. Here are some of the recommended books. So you may go through go through this if you like, and I'll show you all the codes what I have used. This is my sign up code. This is my signup.ejs code. Let me show you clearly. This is my signup.ejs code, and that's the CSS. It takes name, phone number, email, password, and it's in the same manner the same CSS. And the email, it takes an email and password. And next, my dashboard with some of the, it contains a wish list, books and rent logout buttons. After that, these are the books I have kept in the dashboard, recommended books. And this is the index.ejs page, which shows that which book you want to search. That means it shows a search bar and results. After searching that, you may get the results. It contains two buttons that you want to add to wishlist, or you can take a book for a rent. And this is my wish list. If you the wish list represents all your wished books, and a delete button. If you want to delete, you may delete. And the rent.ejs books, it contains whichever books you are taking for the rent. And let me show you how to log out from that. If you click on the logout button, you will be successfully logged out, and it again asks you to log in. And finally, this is my web application. Thank you and have a nice day.